Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Health City Hospital Guwahati haringkat ka Jingai Trailang bat ka District Early Intervention Center Joai ka bahap hapo ka Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram jong ka Sarkar Pedeng kala beteng ye ka free screening congenital heart disease na ka jing Eksamin A ye ki kena Jingshitom Klongsnam kini ka jing Eksamin ye ki kena Jingshitom Klongsnam kala beteng ha Joai ha kalai potrik kala lingkot na ka benta ki lai tili ki block Kiba apo ke West Gentia Hills District kadba hakalai puwaitrik ukala lingkot pan an Eksamin nagabenta ki kena jong ke East Gentia Hills ya ke jing Eksamin lapenlong hapo ke District Early Intervention Center kebadan hapanalir Joai kabadi ke Jaka ke Peit kerpang ye ke jinglong jingman par ke jing he jing san jong ki kena nadu dangkha hadu khat prasnem karta habaya keren berke Dr. Sorabhi Das Director Pediatric Cardiology Health City Hospital kalau ong bakaladon ke jingya soy soskular ne ke MOU hapadeng ke sarkar jela bat ke Health City Hospital pan sumar ki kena ke Jingshitom Klongsnam hapo katai ke hospital kalau ong katkum ke soskular baro ki kena ke penrung ne register hapo ke RBS kin yo ke jing sumar ne ke benta ke Jingshitom Klongsnam hapo katai ke hospital kalau ong ru bakane ke sin ka baar baki penlong ye ka jing Eksamin ye ki kena ke Jingshitom Klongsnam bat ka beningkong ka dei hanong ba shlong bat ka ne ke jing Eksamin ye ki kena kan yai beteng ru sashaki wei pat ki district jong ka jela shushu kala ya tho ru bahagani ka sngi kiladan hadu shis pa ar po ar ngut ki kena ki bawan shakani ke jing ai Eksamin A ban na pedeng kini ki badan kam jing sumar ki long hundre fu wei ngut Kibadon kamban bud di ne check up kilong ship hongut, bat kibamdon Jingshitom kilong san puway ngun. Ke Dr. Das kala kintu ye kikmegi kipa, ban wan syakmat ban pak sumar ye kikun, kat baka Jingshitom kampat slem, kenang makanam keta ye kikun, anda kila hek lasan, bat kala banjur ye kikmegi kipa, bagimdei ban penslem, ban leit wat jingerap ne ki doktor, habaki tip baki kun jongki ki don ye ki Jingshitom, Kamtam ke Jingshitom Klongsnam.
So, good morning. I am Dr. Sorabhi Das. I am the Director of Pediatric Cardiology from Health City Hospital, Khanapara, Guwahati. So, I have come here today for a screening camp which we are doing amongst all the children of this district and the neighboring districts also. And here we are basically screening the children for their heart diseases. Now, we already have a MOU which is signed in between our hospital and the government of Meghalaya. So, under that MOU, all the children who are registered under RBSK are going to get completely free of cost treatment for their heart disease. So I'm here, I'm going to do echocardiography on all those children who have come here today for the camp. This is a screening camp which is also organized by the RBSK in association with the NRHM. So all those children who will be diagnosed as positive cases are being categorized into two. One urgent operation and the other which they can come slowly. Now once we have already diagnosed, we have a list of all of these children. Now they will be also called from our side. They can come directly to our hospital in Health City and they will be treated for their heart disease completely free of cost. There will be no money charged from them from entry to exit, and also we will be giving them all the medications which will be necessary so they can come back home and they can get the medicines from here and keep the children on our follow-up. So we will be coming intermittently and we can do the follow-up. Now this is our second camp in the state of Meghalaya. We already did one camp from Shillong, okay, and the neighboring district where already we have screened 50 children and around 35 to 40 of them have been already successfully operated, and the rest are going to come with us. So the whole system is highly systematized, yeah, and we are also going to do it in rest of the districts also under the MOU that is being signed with the government and us. So far now I have already diagnosed like around 20 to 25 children after just screening 40 children. So you can already understand that the incidence is very high. It is like every 50% of the children whom we are screening are having this diagnosis, right? Now what happens is, if we do not do an early diagnosis and if you keep your children at home even after knowing the diagnosis, what we are doing is we are actually affecting them and their heart. So their growth is also affected. They cannot be like the normal children when they grow, because gradually, because of the hole and the problem, the heart starts to dilate and there are chances of heart failure. So once the child starts developing heart failure, even after we are correcting by surgery, it takes a long time to become equal to that of a normal child or a normal adult. And for greater productivity, we all want to be normal adults. So we have to take the diseases, heart disease of our children very seriously and treat them as soon as the detection or diagnosis is being made. We have very good child specialists here, very good people who are actually diagnosing and telling the people, urging them to seek early medical help. So I've already met with some of the pediatricians of this district. They're doing a very great job. They're actually making early diagnosis, and once the diagnosis is made, they find it very difficult. The people are staying at home. So I would like to make an appeal to the general public that if your doctor is showing some doubt, or if you have any doubt that my child is not growing well, having recurrent cough and cold, is becoming blue on crying, or has developed redness of the eyes with swelling of the fingers or feet or abdomen, please seek an early help from the child specialist, and then they can guide you to come to us to seek early help, and we can treat them early. No, actually what has happened is some of the children, like I can always correlate, there were 2 children who are having very complicated diagnosis and they need very complex surgery. So for them we need little bit more weight and age. So what we have done for them, it is like open heart surgery is needed, and they will be needing special conduits, special tubes, which can only be fitted once the child is above 15 kg weight. For them, we have kept them on follow-up, and we have asked them to come once the child is becoming 15 kg, so that we can permanently put in tubes and valves also. So once we put a valve in those children at an older age, what happens? Recurrent surgery is not needed. So that's why we have deferred those 2 important cases. They are still on our watch list. But we haven't sent anywhere else because our surgeon and our team is quite well adapted. Till now, we have successfully done the operations. There is no need to send anywhere else.
Okay.
But 2 are waiting, definitely.